Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to repair software installation problem in Windows 11. To start, from the search box, enter regedit. Click on the registry editor. Now select Yes to open this. After this, go to path that you see on screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. In this window, you must right-click on Shell key and select New and Key option. After this, rename this key how Runas. Now you must double-click on Default Value. Here on Value Data, enter Install as &administrator. Click on OK. After, you must right-click on Runas key, select New Key option. Rename this how Command. Now open the default value and paste the command on screen. Press OK. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.